Good morning, beautiful people. I'm grateful for another day to be alive and to be trading. Let's get into the charts, but before we do, let's look at the Forex Factory for any red folder news. We don't have anything today, but tomorrow, this week is pretty much stacked with news. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's going to be a lot of volatility this week. Today could just be a lot of chop. Honestly, we could just be moving sideways. All right, let's look at the charts real quick. On the 1 hour chart, it looks like ES wants to break these equal highs. So we're going to be watching out for that. But for NQ, I see a lot of buy side liquidity here. There's also a daily fair value gap, as well as a 1 hour fair value gap, which is right here. So we're going to be, I'm expecting for price to kind of head up into that and then come down to rebalance internal range liquidity. And then for the news, I don't have like a crystal ball or anything, but I'm assuming that price will continue to head upwards to take out this LRLR right there. So we'll see. We'll see if that happens this week. Anything can happen. These markets are crazy, so we're just gonna be watching out for this week. But in the shorter term, what I do see right now is all of this liquidity up here, and I think price is going to fill this volume imbalance, this new week opening gap right here between this area. So if that's the case, we're going to be looking for shorts for price to come down into this new week opening range gap. And I do believe that this will fill, but price needs to head up first to take out some liquidity, in my opinion. So we're going to be waiting for that. Also, I'm going to be trying very, very hard to follow this strategy that y'all would have seen here, which is number one, look for SMT divergence. Number two, wait for a change in the state of delivery. Entry, I have 3 entry models here that I can use, and then targeting 2 to 1. All right, so that's going to be kind of what I want to follow as my strategy moving forward. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I'm going to be looking to take some shorts very soon. All right, so I'll catch y'all later. All right, y'all, we are ahead of 9:30 right now, and this looks like a market structure shift to me, because this leg up here went up, took out liquidity, came down, market structure shift, change in the state of delivery here because price displaced, and it came back up into a fair value gap. So I'm not sure if this is going to continue or not. I just need to be very careful because it's not time yet, right? When I say it's not time yet, it's literally 9:22 a.m. So it's right before market open, and before market open, anything can happen. Like, it can move very erratically. So with that being said, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can maybe do like a half position here, but I'd be gambling. So I'm just walking y'all through my thought process, right? Because I want to document and share the real process of live trading and what it's really like, right? It's not always about winning $20,000 in a day or like $5,000 a day. There's a lot of things that go into consideration when you actually enter and exit a trade and when you're actually trading. I know it's before 9:30 and I want to enter this, but I'm not going to. Even though I do believe it's going to fall into Asia low, I'm just going to wait a little bit to see what price does at 9:30 open. And if it waterfalls, it waterfalls. But anything can happen. It can like wick up and take me out, and then but the risk to reward is good. So like, if I wanted to risk $100, I could technically just like enter four contracts, 4 micro contracts here, which I might do. But then the entry will be here, so I think that would be 3 micro contracts. Risking $100 for $350. I don't think that's bad. You know what? I'm just gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. If price comes back up into here and decides to fall, then I'm gonna enter. I'm not gonna put a limit order, and I'm gonna market execute. I do have a meeting at 9:30, so y'all will probably see just silent. Y'all will probably hear silence, but see me moving around. I was gonna record my trades and upload it in today's videos, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna take a couple days just to reflect on why I was doing well for about a month and then I reverted back to my old habits. I just got to figure out what the catalyst is. And I mean, looking at the markets, it was definitely moving sideways. Price came down into my point of interest here. So I think the next couple days, instead of trading my funded accounts, I'm gonna be paper trading and like really figure out why my emotions or the negative emotions are coming back. So I think the next couple videos is just going to be me paper trading and reflecting on my emotions, right? Rather than the actual trades itself. And this is all just to figure out why I've taken steps backwards instead of forwards. And you know, maybe I won't upload a video in the next couple of days. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go along. There could be videos, there may not be videos, but I just really need to figure out the reason, right? So, as expected today, price is moving sideways. Didn't really do anything. Hit my point of interest. It's coming back up. I think the next couple days with the news, it's gonna hit all of this liquidity up here, and then I don't know what's gonna happen. But you know, in the comments below, let me know how y'all did. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already to join me on my journey, this painful journey to 100K. And I'll catch y'all sometime this week.